The Nothing Phone 4a Pro has quietly turned into one of the most talked about upcoming smartphones of 2025. Recent reports from SmartPrix reveal that the device has appeared in the IMEI database under the model number A069P, confirming early development activity. For those following Nothing's pattern, this is a clear continuation. The Nothing Phone 3a carried the code A059, while its Pro variant used A059E. This jump to A069P isn't random. It signals the beginning of a new generation, a complete evolution in both performance and design philosophy for the brand's popular mid-range lineup. The IMEI listing strongly suggests that the Nothing Phone 4a Pro is nearing its official release. Historically, such certifications appear just months before a public unveiling, so the wait might not be long. Although the company has yet to confirm a date, expectations are rising rapidly among fans who anticipate major leaps in both software and hardware. The Nothing 3a series earned attention for its minimalist design and clean user interface, but the 4a Pro is shaping up to be more ambitious, blending speed, intelligence, and style into a single experience. According to early leaks, Nothing might shift its focus from Qualcomm to a MediaTek chipset, one that's said to outperform the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 found in the previous model. This potential switch could mean noticeably faster app performance, more efficient multitasking, and deeper AI integration, a direction Nothing has been openly pursuing across its ecosystem. The emphasis on artificial intelligence is expected to extend throughout the device, optimizing camera behavior, display management, and even user habits for smoother everyday performance. If these leaks hold true, the 4a Pro could redefine what's possible in a mid-range smartphone, offering flagship-level responsiveness at a more accessible price. On the design side, the glyph interface will reportedly stay, the signature LED-based notification system that has become the soul of Nothing's aesthetic identity. While the visual concept is expected to remain familiar, rumors suggest minor refinements to the light animations and their integration with third-party apps. The device will likely retain the brand's semi-transparent design language, continuing to set it apart from typical Android smartphones. Equally significant is the Nothing OS 4.0, which will likely debut on the 4a Pro. The update introduces a redesigned lock screen with customizable clock styles, an overhauled quick settings panel, and new widgets that prioritize accessibility. Visual enhancements aside, this version also includes a deeper dark mode, improved battery optimization, and a pop-up view feature for floating apps, all aimed at multitasking with ease. Performance optimizations across the system ensure smoother animations, faster app launches, and better thermal control. The camera and gallery apps have received creative presets and advanced editing tools, while the AI dashboard brings smarter privacy controls and real-time system insights. If Nothing maintains its usual schedule, the Nothing Phone 4a Pro could officially launch in early 2025, likely within the $499 to $500